How are you doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordanbikes, and check this little bad boy out. It's a BMW S1000RR and it's a sport version of this one in the Motorsport colours. Looks fantastic and it's got some cracking extras on it for you. Give you some facts and figures first. It's a 2016 on a 16 plate and it has done, it'll tell me in a second, 7,905 miles. These are an awesome bike. I've had one of these myself and they are unreal to ride. Get a load of gizmos on them, so we'll go through them dead quick. You get factory fitted heated grips. You get different power modes. This one being the sport, you do get slick mode as well, so you can turn the traction control right off, right down, and go for some fun times. You get cruise control, you get ABS, as I said, you get traction control, you get the quick shifter, you get auto blipper as well. Just an awesome bike. This one's been fitted with some ASV levers. It's got a seat cowl, it's got the tail tidy, but if we could just go down and have a quick look at that rear wheel, the biggest thing is it's got the HP4 lightweight wheels. They are an absolute fortune. They feel fantastic, they look the business, massive extra of them, they're unreal. Give this a quick fire up, they sound through it even just with standard exhaust on. They're so smooth to ride, honestly they're unreal. You can be just plodding along, look down at speedo, boom, 140 mile an hour like that. Really comfy riding position. There's a load of padding in that seat. They're brilliant, honestly, I absolutely love mine, and this one looks fantastic in Motorsport with MHP4 wheels. So what you're waiting for, the last one sold immediately, so if you do want this one, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes or just give us a call. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.